2025 Audi A4 Avant is here, redefining luxury wagons with power, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This latest model brings sharper styling, enhanced efficiency, and dynamic handling, making it one of the most exciting wagons on the market. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A4 Avant comes with a range of powerful options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing up to 265 horsepower. For those seeking efficiency, a mild hybrid system improves fuel economy and responsiveness. Performance lovers will appreciate the Quattro all-wheel drive system, which delivers superior grip and control, making it a joy to drive in all conditions. Plus, an S4 Avant variant is expected to push out over 350 horsepower for those who crave more excitement. Step inside and you'll find an ultra-modern cockpit with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and the latest Audi MMI technology. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system make every ride more immersive. The leather sport seats, customizable ambient lighting, and panoramic sunroof enhance the luxury feel, while advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure top-tier protection. The 2025 Audi A4 Avant is expected to hit the market in late 2024, with first deliveries arriving in early 2025. Pricing is expected to start at $43,000, with higher performance trims reaching $56,000 plus. The 2025 Audi A4 Avant blends practicality, power, and premium features, making it the perfect wagon for those who love style and performance. Are you excited for this model? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. See you in the next one. Elevate your style with premium Audi accessories. If you're a true Audi enthusiast, you know that owning an Audi isn't just about driving, it's a lifestyle. Audi has built a reputation for precision engineering, luxury, and performance, and now you can carry that same spirit into your daily life with high-quality Audi accessories. From stylish Audi caps and t-shirts to functional items like an Audi keychain, thermos, and watches, these accessories allow you to showcase your passion for the four rings wherever you go. A stylish Audi cap is the perfect way to express your love for the brand while keeping your look sharp. Made from high-quality materials, Audi caps come in various designs, from classic embroidered logos to sleek monochrome styles. Whether you prefer a snapback, baseball cap, or fitted design, there's an Audi cap to suit your taste. Not only do these caps complete your casual outfit, but they also offer protection from the sun, making them a practical choice for everyday wear. Nothing beats the comfort of a well-fitted short-sleeved Audi t-shirt. Perfect for everyday wear, these shirts blend casual style with the elegance Audi is known for. Choose from a variety of designs, including minimalistic logo prints, bold graphics, and motorsport-inspired editions. Whether you're heading out for a drive in your Audi or just relaxing, an Audi t-shirt is a perfect addition to your wardrobe. A watch isn't just an accessory, it's a statement. Audi watches embody the brand's philosophy of precision, performance, and timeless design. Crafted with high-quality materials like stainless steel and sapphire crystal, these watches exude sophistication. Whether you prefer a sporty chronograph or an elegant dress watch, an Audi timepiece ensures that every second counts in style. Your Audi keychain is more than just a place to hold your keys. It's a reflection of your passion for the brand. Audi keychains come in a variety of styles, including leather, metal, and carbon fiber designs, often featuring the iconic four-ring logo. Some even have additional features like LED lights or bottle openers. No matter the design, an Audi keychain is a subtle but powerful way to keep the spirit of Audi with you at all times. For those who are always on the go, an Audi thermos is a must-have accessory. Whether you need a hot coffee for early morning drives or a chilled drink on a long road trip, these thermoses are designed to maintain the perfect temperature for hours. With sleek branding and high-quality insulation, an Audi thermos is both stylish and functional, making it a great companion for work, travel, or weekend adventures. Audi bags blend premium quality with modern design, offering stylish backpacks, travel bags, and duffels for every occasion. Crafted with durable materials and smart compartments, they ensure both functionality and elegance, making them the perfect companion for Audi enthusiasts on the move. Show your passion. Carry a piece of Audi with you, whether you're driving or simply going about your day. Final thoughts. Audi accessories are more than just merchandise. They're a way to connect with the brand on a personal level. Whether it's a cap, t-shirt, watch, keychain, or thermos, each item reflects Audi's commitment to style, performance, and innovation. Elevate your everyday life with these premium accessories and let the world know you're part of the Audi family. The new Audi A1 is redefining the compact car segment with a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and driving dynamics. Under the hood, expect a range of turbocharged TFSI engines, starting with a 1.0-liter three-cylinder, producing 110 horsepower, and a more potent 1.5-liter four-cylinder, generating 150 horsepower. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed S-tronic automatic transmission, the new A1 delivers an engaging and fuel-efficient ride. Thanks to Audi's refined chassis tuning and improved aerodynamics, the A1 offers impressive handling, making it perfect for both city streets and long highway journeys. Plus, a rumored mild hybrid system could enhance fuel efficiency while adding an extra boost to performance. Step inside the new Audi A1 and you'll immediately notice Audi's premium touch. The fully digital 10.25-inch virtual cockpit keeps vital driving data at your fingertips, while the 8.8-inch MMI touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is packed with high-quality materials, sporty accents, and ambient LED lighting, creating a sophisticated yet youthful feel. The spacious seating and smart storage solutions ensure comfort and practicality, making it an ideal urban companion. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, make every drive safer and more enjoyable. The new Audi A1 is set to make its grand debut in late 2025, with European and global markets following shortly after. Pricing is expected to start at around $25,000, positioning it as a premium yet accessible option in the compact segment. For those looking for a stylish, tech-packed, and dynamic small car, the Audi A1 is a game changer. Would you choose the new Audi A1 over its rivals? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car content. Car Exhaust. The Volkswagen Golf 8 is a perfect blend of sporty performance, modern technology, and everyday practicality. As one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history, the Golf 8 continues to push boundaries with enhanced efficiency and a driver-focused experience. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Golf 8 offers a variety of engine choices, including a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 150 horsepower and a 2.0-liter TSI variant with up to 245 horsepower in the GTI version. For those seeking efficiency, a mild hybrid TFSI option delivers smooth acceleration and better fuel economy. The 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission ensures quick shifts, while the available adaptive suspension system enhances comfort and handling. Interior inside, the Golf 8 features a high-tech and minimalist cabin. A 10-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide seamless connectivity. The ergonomically designed seats, customizable ambient lighting, and premium materials elevate the driving experience. The intuitive touch-sensitive controls and head-up display make navigation and settings more convenient. Release date. The Volkswagen Golf 8 is already available in select markets, with continuous updates and new variants being released. Expect performance versions like the GTI and R models to keep enthusiasts excited. The Golf 8 remains a benchmark for hatchbacks, offering style, performance, and cutting-edge tech. What do you think of this legendary model? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. See you in the next one.